How to restore your locked Facebook Marketplace. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now navigate to the menu page. Once you're in the menu page, scroll all the way down here towards the option of help and support. Now click on the option of report a problem. Click on continue to report. Now click on include. Now here you're going to find different features of Facebook. Select the option of marketplace. Now here you have to explain about your issue. Explain in detail that your Facebook Marketplace has been blocked. In the case you don't have any idea how to explain it, you can just explain in the way as I have done it. My marketplace has been locked though I haven't violated any guidelines of Facebook Marketplace. I have lots of important stuff to do in Marketplace, so please fix my issue as soon as possible. Once you type in this, you can send it. And with that, Facebook support team will get back to you within 24 hours. You can have the conversation with Facebook support team, and with that, your problem will be resolved. Well, this way you can easily restore your locked Facebook Marketplace. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.